In Jefferson County courtroom, Sally Pope stands before the judge, charged with assault on a public servant. Multiple doctors confirm she is not competent to stand trial. Severe and persistent mental illness. Outpatient treatment recommended. But no restoration program exists in the county. The court orders 1 year civil commitment. Her future now depends on treatment and time.
Are you Sally Pope? Yes, ma'am. This is cause number 24 DCCR 21110. Ms. Pope is charged with assault on a public servant and was previously found not competent to stand trial. I'm going to take judicial notice of the court's file. Ms. Pope was sent to the John Dunn Behavioral Science Center for competency restoration. I've received the report from them dated February 4th of 2026. It looks like we've got the trial competency evaluation report, which was done by a Leah Emery, Dr. Leah Emery and Dr. Samantha Guzman. That's dated January 29th of 2026. And finding is that Ms. Pope is still not competent to stand trial and unlikely to be restored within the time frame of the 120 days that she had there at the John Dunn Behavioral Science Center, and that further inpatient treatment would be warranted. In addition, I have a forensic psychiatry report prepared again January 29th of 2026. This is from Dr. Selek, Selek, also with the finding that Ms. Pope is not competent to stand trial at the present time. Also, a physician's certificate of medical examination for mental illness prepared by Dr. Selek. And the finding in that is that okay, so his finding is that she is not competent to stand trial, that outpatient treatment would be warranted is what his position is, and that the patient's condition is expected to continue for more than 90 days. That Ms. Pope suffers from mental illness that is severe and persistent, that a result of that she needs treatment. And then I have a second physician certificate of medical examination for mental illness. This is from a Dr. Nubia Luberis. And the finding in this report is also that Ms. Pope is not competent to stand trial, that she is mentally ill. And this finding is also that she meets the criteria for outpatient treatment. And so, is there anything else with regard to competency from the state?
Not from the state, Judge.
Mr. Rojas?
There you are.
So obviously, just for the record, everyone knows that we do not have an outpatient competency restoration program here in Jefferson County. And so I have no choice but to find that Ms. Pope is still not competent to stand trial. Find while the recommendation is outpatient treatment, because we do not have an outpatient treatment program for competency restoration, I'm going to order the 1 year civil commitment for Ms. Pope to the appropriate facility. Obviously, if competency restoration is attained before then, we'll get her back here. Otherwise, we'll await the report from whatever facility she goes to. All right, so we're going to try to get you some more help so that we can go forward with your case.
I go to Slidell in Louisiana.
I'm not sure where it's not up to me where they send you. It's wherever the best place is. Okay. Okay. You can go back with the bailiff. Was that worth it?
No.
Have a seat in the jury box. This. Good morning. Are you Taylor Douglas?
Yes,
Give me just a second. Good morning. Good morning. All right, will your client waive the formal reading of the motion?
He will, Your Honor.
I didn't already have that, sorry. This is cause number 25, DCCR 0895. And Mr. Douglas, I have a motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. This shows that you were placed on probation November 18th of 2025 for the offense of obstruction or retaliation, a third-degree felony. And that was a 3-year deferred probation. Is that correct? And this motion alleges that you violated your probation in count 1 only, by failing to act in a courteous and professional manner, by incurring 3 new incident reports while housed at the Jefferson County Jail, including a physical altercation with another inmate on November 29th, 2025, which was the same date of your last hearing. And so, is that true or not true?
True.
Did you enter your plea of true to count 1 freely and voluntarily?
Yes,
And because it's actually true?
yes.
So he never even made it.
I know, that's just, and I guess once you did that, you decided, screw it, I'm gonna do whatever I want, because I already know I'm gonna get in trouble, because you've been acting like an absolute fool in our jail. I'm not sure 4 years is enough. I need to think about this for a minute. I mean, is it really that hard to follow the rules?
No.
You didn't want to get out? You did? You got a problem with showing yourself while masturbating to the female officers out there, don't you? You don't?
Ain't got no problem.
You don't have a problem? You just like to do it and you think that's cool to do that in front of them? Even though you know you're gonna get written up and go to prison for that? Was that worth it?
No.
Have a seat in the jury box. I'm not sure that I'm gonna accept this agreement.
In Jefferson County Courtroom, Sally Pope stands before the judge, charged with assault on a public servant. Multiple doctors confirm she is not competent to stand trial. Severe and persistent mental illness. Outpatient treatment recommended. But no restoration program exists in the county. The court orders 1-year civil commitment. Her future now depends on treatment and time.